Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in Georgia. So let's get started. So here we'll just go to google.com and here we'll actually search for top business bank in Georgia. Okay, so here we have the first bank is our Bank of Georgia, then we have TBC Bank, then we have uh, Liberty Bank, another bank. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in Bank of Georgia. So here we'll actually go to their website. Okay, so here we can see, so to open a business bank account here you will likely see the details, wealth and nothing. So you have to go to click and here locate us, and from there you have to see for the nearest branch. So you can go to the nearest branch and from there you can open it. So nearest branch you can directly go and from there you can open. So it will require a minimum age of 18. You should have a business legal identity and other things will be required. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.